Okay, so it's all about warmth. So I'm going to start out with this orange right here. It's this color. What is it? It's Dune Buggy. And I'm going to do this right on the outer V, up in the, just above the crease. So I'm going to go in and I'm going to start using this orangey one right here, a little bit more warmer orange. And I'm going to apply this closer to the crease and blend it out. Take this brush, blend out any harsh lines there may be. That way those two colors just really marry each other and look like it goes from one to the next without any harsh lines. And if you feel like you have any harsh lines, you literally can take the color that you had on earlier, maybe this one, and then just apply it on the outer color where you see the lines. Go in with this shade. That's gonna go right on top of that to blend it out, to make it not look harsh. All right, so now I'm going in with a little bit more brown, this color right here. And I'm gonna focus that more in the crease area. Like really make this color be concentrated. Just like that. Take that same brush I was using earlier, the Dibs one, and then just blend out this color so that it gets married to the other one. I always like to say, when they marry, they make a beautiful baby. Now I'm gonna go in, because I do like a little sparkle in my eyes, so I'm going with this color right here. It's called Gold Sparkle. Actually, let's do Full of Flash. That looks pretty. Ooh. Yes, this looks so pretty. And I'm gonna take the next side of this and then just blend that color so that it meets and don't look like there's any harsh line. I'm using a detail brush and just going in with that warm color in the deep, just to give it a little bit more warmth around there. Now I'm going in with the Dibs brush just to blend it out. Following up with the Dawn to Dusk right over that color to give it a little bit more warmth. Okay, so I'm just going to use the brown in this palette to kind of smoke out the bottom lash line. And I'm using a very detailed brush to do this, because time has ran up on me again, as always.
And that's it. This is the final look.